Yaomak is many people's favorite vegetable. Dressed it with sauce to eat it raw as cold. Salad is delicious too. This cold lettuce dish is crispy and sweet, perfect for when you have no appetite. Come and eat it. It's also great as an appetizer. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Yaomak has many delicious effects such as promoting blood circulation, helping sleep, and losing weight. It is very beneficial to us. Remember to eat more. Let's start cooking. Yaomak Chinese lettuce, chopped garlic, chopped chili padi and set aside. Yaomak cut into sections. One tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon black vinegar to taste. One tablespoon chopped garlic. Add sauce and mix well. Plate yaomak. Crunchy Yaomak Cold Salad is done. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. This cold salad is delicious. Let's just make cold salad as it's so easy and time-saving too. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient, come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Lettuce is rich in nutritional value, but it is easily destroyed under high temperature, heating conditions, resulting in the loss of nutrients. Therefore, eating it raw can be said to be the best way to eat lettuce. Moreover, eating raw lettuce in the hot summer season can also clear away dryness and moisturize the lungs, resolve phlegm and relieve cough, and relieve internal heat. Lettuce contains active ingredients such as mannitol, which has diuretic effects and promotes blood circulation. Because the stems and leaves of lettuce contain lettuce, it tastes slightly bitter and has the effects of analgesic and hypnosis, lowering cholesterol and assisting in the treatment of neurasthenia. You can squeeze it into juice and drink it before going to bed. The dietary fiber and vitamin C contained in lettuce can eliminate excess fat, so it is also called slimming lettuce. You can choose to eat it cold or stir-fried. Since lettuce is very allergic to ethylene, try to store it away from apples, pears, and bananas to avoid inducing russet spots. It is also important to remind you that lettuce is cool and cold in nature, so people with frequent urination and cold stomach should not eat more. Traditional Chinese medicine, lettuce can relieve dryness, resolve phlegm, and relieve cough in winter. It can be used for dysuria, hematuria, lactation, obstruction, insect and snake bites, sores and carbuncles, etc. In addition, lettuce has a sweet taste and is suitable for people with phlegm, thick phlegm, cough, and other symptoms. In winter, when the weather is dry, lettuce also it can relieve dryness in winter and has the effect of moistening the lungs and relieving cough. You cannot eat lettuce with pumpkin. Eating it with pumpkin is likely to cause diarrhea, bloating, and some stomach problems. The combination of certain substances in carrots and some substances in lettuce will cause great damage to the gastrointestinal tract. Lettuce also contains some antioxidants such as vitamin K and vitamin E, which help prevent chronic diseases and promote brain health. Garlic can effectively inhibit and kill bacteria and viruses, such as Helicobacter pylori that cause gastrointestinal diseases, remove toxic substances from the gastrointestinal tract, stimulate gastrointestinal mucosa, promote appetite, and accelerate digestion. Garlic can promote the secretion of insulin, increase the absorption of glucose by tissue cells, improve the body's glucose tolerance, quickly reduce blood sugar levels in the body, and kill various bacteria that cause diabetes due to infection, thereby effectively preventing and treating diabetes. There are more delicious recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.